Hi guys, good day. Welcome to my first sim recap as a student in Caraga State University. Kansas West Calderon, 18 years old, currently studying Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics at Caraga State University. Hello everybody, we are Upaw. For me, the issue or challenge that I have encountered as a new student is homesickness. Because I came from a small town in Agusan del Sur and moving into a city is hard at first. And I know it's natural to feel a bit lost and out of place when you are in a new environment away from your familiar surroundings and loved ones. This can manifest as feelings of sadness, anxiety, or even loneliness. My responsibilities that was affected is my academic performance because my homesickness can lead to decreased motivation, difficult in concentrating, and increased stress, all of which can negatively impact a student's academic performance. This could result in missed deadlines, low grades, and even academic probation. For me, the 21st century skills that will help me manage this issue is staying connected, maintaining regular contact with family and friends back home through video calls, phone calls, and social media, and building relationship actively seeking out opportunities to connect with other students, faculty, and staff campus. Embracing change, accepting that college life will be different from your previous experience and being open to new routines and experience. For me, once I manage my homesickness, this is what can possibly happen. I can improve my academic performance and feel more comfortable and settled in my new environment. And I better able to focus on my study and achieve academic success. Enhance my mental and emotional well-being. Overcoming my homesickness can significantly improve my mental and emotional well-being, reducing feelings of stress, anxiety, depression, and loneliness.